Hey guys, welcome to our channel tutarena. So in this video I'm going to show you how to create a Telegram channel. If you're new to our channel, then make sure to subscribe it. So let's start. At first you have to open the Telegram app. Then at the bottom you can see a pencil icon, tap on it. And here you can see at the top three options that says new group, new secret chat, new channel. Now tap on new channel and it will say you what is a channel. Channels are a one-to-many tool for broadcasting your messages to unlimited audience. Now tap on create channel and here it will ask you to give your channel a name. You can give it like this. Here you can write description like this. Now you can also add emojis at your channel's name like this. And here you can also add your channel avatar like this. You can zoom the picture or you can adjust it like this. Now tap on the tick mark and here tap on the tick mark. And now it will ask you how about your channel type. If you want to make a public channel, you can tap on right here, or if you guys want to make your channel private, then tap on here. And now it will give you an invitation link by which you can invite people, you can share it, also you can copy it. Now I want to make my channel public, then you can tap here if you want to make your channel public. You make it public, then you can make your own public link like this. Now let's tap on the tick mark and here it will ask you to add your subscribers. You can add them like this. Now tap on the arrow sign right here. And this is the new channel that I have created. Now it's time to broadcast something. So in that way you can broadcast anything that you want. See how easy to open a Telegram channel? If this video helped you, then make sure to subscribe our channel and leave a like. Thanks for watching. See you with another video. Till then, bye bye.